Sir, this is a wooden album with LED. It comes with different type of covers. This is pine wood box having 10-inch LED screen. I'll on for you. This one is 6 years warranty, 6 months warranty, 16 GB inbuilt LED with 16 GB supported external, and you can play your video pictures in this one. And covers you can have many options. It comes with RGB, CMYK, Indigo, everything. This one is of 13,000 rupees, plus there will be a printing binding cost included here. So almost the paper which you select, the final cost will depend on that. And product is very durable. It is a long lasting product.
How can the customers contact you?
Customer can contact us through our website, through our phone calls, through emails. We have 3 different ways that customer can contact us. Company name is Fab Albums. Our head office is in New York. Main company, parent company name is Fine Art Albums, and we have our factory in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Thank you.